Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn CSS effectively. To truly master CSS, begin by grasping fundamental concepts such as the box model, which defines how elements are rendered, and various types of selectors. Consistent, hands-on practice is crucial. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to coding. Leverage browser developer tools extensively for inspecting and debugging your styles. Early exposure to responsive design principles will also significantly enhance your learning journey. Mastering core CSS concepts is your first step. Focus on the box model, which dictates element spacing and size, comprising content, padding, border, and margin. Understand how different selectors, like class or ID, apply styles based on their specificity. Delve into the cascade and inheritance to predict style application. Finally, explore display properties such as block, inline, and the powerful flexbox for layout control. Hands-on practice is indispensable for solidifying your CSS knowledge. Start by building small, focused projects, perhaps a simple navigation bar or a card component, to apply newly learned concepts. Challenge yourself to recreate layouts from your favorite websites, paying close attention to details. Experiment with various CSS properties and values to see their effects. Consider collaborating on projects to gain new perspectives and learn from diverse coding approaches. Once you have a strong foundation, delve into advanced techniques and tools. Master responsive design using media queries to ensure your layouts adapt across various screen sizes. Explore CSS preprocessors like SAS or LESS to write more efficient and maintainable style sheets. Familiarize yourself with popular CSS frameworks such as Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS for rapid development. Always utilize browser developer tools for effective debugging and inspecting styles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.